Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. This will show you how to deploy QuTScloud on DreamHost. Go to QNAP Download Center and download the QuTScloud raw image file. Go to the DreamHost portal and log in with your credentials. Go to the image page and create image. Type the image name. Select the image file download from QNAP Download Center. Select the image format. Create the image. After the image created, you can see the image on the image list. Go to the volume page and create volume. Type the volume name. Select the volume size. QuTScloud requires at least 48 GB of storage. Create the volume. Go to the Instances page and create instance. Type the instance name. Select the image we created. Select the compute mode. QuTScloud requires at least 2 GB of memory. Launch the instance. Back to the volume page and attach the volume to the instance. Now you can access QuTScloud by using the IP address displayed on the instance page. Click the Start Smart Installation button to initialize QuTScloud. You can find the initialize video in the description. Please subscribe to our channel to get more information about QNAP products. Thank you for watching.